Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Karina. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious costillas en salsa verde with buttery corn rice. For this recipe, we're going to begin by cooking our meat. I'm using 2 pounds of pork spare ribs that I've cut into smaller pieces. We're going to add water until the meat is completely covered. Add some salt and some pepper. We set it to medium-high heat. Cover it up and cook until all the water dries out and the ribs start frying. While the meat cooks, I'm gonna start preparing the rice. I'm using my rice cooker and I'm gonna add 2 cups of short grain rice and 1.5 cups of water for every cup of rice. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. Give it a quick mix, select white rice, and you press start. While we wait for the rice to cook, I'm gonna start working on the salsa for the costillas. I'm gonna roast 8 tomatillos, along with 2 serrano peppers, 2 garlic cloves, 1 jalapeño, and 1/4 of a small white onion, and grill on all sides. The onion, garlic, and the chile serranos are ready. I'm gonna put them in the blender. The rest of the veggies are done and I'm gonna get them out. And here we have 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, along with some cilantro, and last 1 cup of water. We blend. The rice has been cooking for 20 minutes. I'm gonna open it up and add 10 ounces of corn. We close it up and continue cooking for an additional 10 minutes. 10 minutes have passed and our rice is done. It's been 1 hour. I'm gonna check on the ribs. And as you can see, all the water has dried out. The ribs have started to fry and we're just gonna continue moving them until they fry evenly. The meat is now ready and we can add the salsa. We reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover it up and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Our costillitas are now ready. The smell of the oregano is just delicious. I'm gonna serve myself some buttery corn rice. Y las costillitas. Honestly, this is one of my favorites. It's so good. The meat is super tender. And then the tomatillo sauce, amazing. And there you have it, delicious costillas en salsa verde with buttery corn rice. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.